Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix brightness problem in Windows 10 or 11. So there are two easy methods to resolve and fix screen brightness won't change. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. So click on the search icon and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Now expand monitors. Now right click on this monitor and enable device. Now again right click on it and click on Update Driver. Select the second option. Now select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now select Model. Then click on Next. Now close it and restart your PC. And guys, after restart still you are facing this problem, so try second method. So expand display adapters. Now update all adapters in this list. Underneath display adapters I have only one graphic, so right click on it and update driver. Click on Let me pick from a list. Now select latest driver. Then click on Next. And after successfully update driver, close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps you can adjust brightness on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.